the spirit of servanthood. Sena ivakarauni alo indua nandau ni pengrabi. Choni wasete ni tolu mai natiki na endua me adaba natiki na rosangabulu. Ni vakarau merato mai bangata ko chisu keretono na tisepeli le tingarua. Na kaka na kabagato kai na kanabata ni lago sivia the Passover feast. Kendo na ngau na bimbindo ndo wa koya ngo na ngau na ngo balata na lomanga ni rosangabulu kabana yawa sana bako kina na kobeltai. Kalaga to romatiko ko endo na ngau na mbuto ni no nambula is going through one of the darkest moments of his life on earth. Endo talanga na ve mululo ya do tiko eloma ni vale ngoma na kenda to malio na tisipeli. Akaya do tiko berto na tisipeli reto ve mbata ka tiko roto o de mendambe sana ngo. In other words, reto ve mbata ka tiko roto, who is going to be the greatest in the kingdom of God? Ngai boso chisu ngai kabango berto. If you want to be great in the kingdom of God, then you must be a servant of all. Then the requirement is this: are you willing to serve everyone? Are you willing to humble yourself and go right down and serve people where they are? You call me teacher and you call me Lord, and rightly so. But I'm going to demonstrate something. What it means to be a servant. He is about to express the fullness of his love. Love is the greatest virtue of a servant. It doesn't matter your background, your race, your color, your creed. When love serves people, and it does not discriminate. Anabuna katevita mengai muriau na halo binaka kena halo daba loma and we singa kedangani nongumbula baleta na daba and sang ni raw ni davingarabi kay halibe kanda na long. Because if there is no love, there is no God. Because God is love. Anabuna nangaw na sabaro lagi na chisu me buena banrata wapita sa abosa sa nangaw na daba nangaw na. No, not me. Iko na skemni na sagdi buena bango. Baleta na daba because Peter was talking through the lens of the Jewish culture. No, you don't do that. The teacher doesn't do that. The rabbi never does that in our culture. And more so, Lord, you are the Lord. No, Lord, you will never do this. Peter, if you don't allow me to do this, you have no part in my kingdom. Yes, that may be Jewish culture, Peter, but what I'm about to demonstrate, this is kingdom culture. We are not servants, we are sons and daughters. They don't understand the difference between the two. Sons and daughters of the king, that's your position. But you cannot fulfill the requirement of that position unless you become a servant of all. Simon Peter, sinikan bambalian isang ibu na banroto na leoti ni taleso sa nga buhi talaga na banroto. Embimbi ko mentakila ruangan na yata ba berto na tisepeli ko ya dabuti chike. Nakala nga biya kachu ko beraw ana po na dabuti kinatan raw nimber nyo polita gi au chutasa. Au sana buhi raw na pa mo bakal tagi ni lolong maniko. Nakala nga biya kachu ko chisu beraw chutasa kay pita au sanga ni kawita na kan raw nang kay takaba. Usang ni kaway taka na kanraw ng kay takaba ni ati na nung takaba na itakatang ko suta sa kepita nalolomang ko raw kati talangkin. Abi ba rita kanin ta sanggarawa na tamata turang marama we even serve people who are going to hurt us, betray us, deny us. Ni sa takaping karabin naloloma. Sa ni kaway taka na tamata karabi ko.